set me over in a corner on a whole different part of the ballot. And depending upon where you are in the state, it could be on a different part of the ballot. In Detroit, it's on the front at the bottom. Of Benton Harbor, it's on the back at the top. So you have to tell folks, if you will, vote for Deborah Thomas, you got to find her name. That's right, yeah. I don't care where it is, you got to look for it. Front, back, top, bottom, side, till you find the name. Because if you don't circle that circle next to the name, I promise you, you haven't voted for Deborah Thomas. And sometimes we have to take that effort, that extra step, that extra effort in order to get the job done. There are 7 justices on the Michigan Supreme Court. Out of the 7, not one lives, works, plays, prays in an urban city. I've been a judge for 21 years, and I practiced law for 16 years before I took the bench. I promise you, the operation of the courts in the cities differs from the operation of the courts in the rural areas and the suburbs. How we got 7 justices, and not one of them knows city-urban living, city-urban courts, city-urban justice. And there are 1.5 million people living in our cities across this state. That is what we call taxation without representation. And I don't care where you live, folks in the suburbs understand that that is not just, that's not American. Folks off on the farm understand there's something wrong with that picture. So we need to reach out, and we need to let it be known that taxation without representation is not the way that we're going to stand for business in Michigan. We're going to the nonpartisan ballot, and when you get there, you won't see Judge Deborah Thomas. You just going to see Deborah Thomas. Won't even tell you I'm a judge. And under my opposition, they're going to say, Supreme Court Justice, already there. Yeah, but that's code for Snyder appointed me and put me here. That's right, that's right. So we need to explain that to some folks too. Like they said, well, how they going to remember the name? Well, the best way I can figure out to help folks remember the name is tell them to go to the Book of Judges. Wow. That's in the Old chapter. Okay, the Old section, okay? The Book of Judges, 4th chapter. You will find Judge Deborah, the people's judge. I don't want the governor to appoint me in anything. I want the people to elect me because I'm the people's judge. But I love you dearly. Please tell folks, Judge Deborah Thomas. Frank Szymanski is in a different race. You can vote for both of us. Won't cost me a thing. All right, you can vote for us both. If we both win, we'll have a majority on the Michigan Supreme Court. Right. You talk about turning over a table and shaking some things up? Yeah, we're going to have the scales balanced. How about that for a change? Thank you.
I love that. The only problem I had was when you used the proposition. If, when. That's right. When. I want to remind you again that